Welcome back to the Cable Data Science channel. Today is October the 14th, 2020. I'm getting ready to run my my daily COVID-19 reports in COVID-19 in 6 minute reports for several countries. The first country will be Spain. Spain has been struggling a little bit with COVID-19, certainly in area cases. Although I do mention that even the deaths are starting to spike up a little bit. So let's cover here. Take this. Run the report. The data for this report comes from the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control, which is a daily database as opposed to cumulative. Let's just take a look here then. The average number of cases in Spain right now is 3,111 cases per day. The average number of deaths is 115. Take a look at the mortality rate here. The red line is the average mortality rate. This is 1. This is about 0.75%, but you can see that the daily mortality rate is climbing above that right now. It's actually closer to, say, 1.5%. So that's not good. Even though it's a very small amount, it still indicates an increase. So now we come down here and we take a look at the cases by day. The spots up here are the Monday numbers. The Monday numbers include both cases, Saturday and Sunday cases, and Saturday and Sunday deaths. So we get a little better picture down here. Okay, so the lowest line actually shows 130. I'm sorry, shows 13,070 cases per day, which is probably a little bit closer. This is 14,428. So you can see that the lowest line is giving us a little better picture of what the actual numbers are. So it's not particularly good. This is interesting because of this huge gray area right here. But more importantly, as you can see, the lowest line is still about 150 deaths per day. Okay, 163 deaths per day. So if we zoom in here, all we see here is the same thing. Cases around 15,000, so deaths going up. And now, of course, this could be good. We're seeing some decline in the daily number of deaths in Spain. So this is 100 to 125. So for the last couple, so you can see it came from maybe 140 so far down to 125 deaths per day. Okay? If we take a look at the cases, you can see that the cases has declined the last 2 weeks. We're halfway through this week, and we're about halfway up the column here. Deaths, as you can see, remained about the same. All right. That though the downtrend can come from here down to here. If we look at monthly cases, you can see there was a huge spike in cases back in September. And actually, August and September both showed increases, the highest the entire period. You go back to even April. You can see that the current month of October, after 14 days, is around 100,000, 112,000 cases so far right here. Deaths last month was about 2,500. So this is about 1,200 deaths so far for the month of April, for the month of October. So the picture is still not particularly good with Spain. I guess they are showing a little bit of a decline in some areas, but not really enough to really to tell what's going on yet. So anyway, thanks for your time. I'm going to update this report to my database, to the web page also. And thanks for your time. By the way, if you haven't done so already, please click the red S button down the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And we'll catch you on the next report.